Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send crypto from your Trust wallet to your Metamask. So in order to do this, the first thing what you need to do is and head over to your Metamask, and you first of all need to locate on which chain you currently are. So currently we can see that I am on the Ethereum chain, so if you are on any of these chains, then just make sure to keep that in mind. And basically once you've done that, you want to know which crypto coin you actually want to send to your Metamask. We can currently see that I have some Ethereum on my wallet, so I want to add some more Ethereum to my wallet. So now we know the chain, we know which coin we want to send, and now we only need the address, and the address we can copy right here. Just click on it once, and basically once you've done that, you will copy that address. What you can now do is head over to Trustwallet, and like I said, what we're going to do is we're going to send out Ethereum. So we're going to click on Ethereum right here, then click on send, and then what we need to do is we need to make sure that we are going to paste in our address basically right here. Once we have done that, we can type in how much Ethereum we want to send. Once you've done that, just click on next, and basically once you've done that, you will right here see everything, all the details. And yeah, once you've done that, just click on confirm right here. And basically once you've done that, within a few minutes, your crypto should be appearing over on your Metamask. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.